it was completely impossible to get inside here. This is the staircase A on Lauttasaarentie and Drumsö 38. Here in Lauttasaari, Drumsö, Helsinki has four modernized Finland. Built in the beginning of 1960, turned 60 years old in 2020. The number is H8582, and you can also watch the staircase PNC here with 4 floors. But expecting the next year, 2024, because these 3 versions. Perhaps the handicap is rare here.
Yeah.
It has 3 rides. Let's do it. Yeah, the code was completely impossible.
Yeah. Is dit bike was that maintained by Sheila?
It has the MP6 interior, but having 4 buttons completely.
Yeah.
That's more rare.
Yeah, because some bit older 960 elevators at Kivikartiotie in Turku still have NPN6 elevators fixtures inside and outside.
Yeah, they're also from the beginning of 96.
Yeah, but 884 and something. This is 85.
Yeah, so they are a bit earlier.
Mm.
But the latest we've seen is 1963 in Tapiola in the basement.
Yeah.
And I don't believe there's any later, at least.
Yeah.
Probably not. Probably it's not 64, but I don't know.
Yeah.
At least it's where they'll like find anything later than for a 63.
Yeah.
I checked the bell.
That's